Then with short update, yan tapos na ang show dyan sa US. Yan, balik na si Alden sa Canada para sa shooting ng Lola Again at dalawa pa niyang show. Yan, meron pa ang fans si Alden, oh. Yan, nakaka-up din t-shirt. Yan, nanood ng show dyan sa San Francisco, California. Ilaw.
Is everyone having a good time tonight? And we are having so much fun as well. Maraming salamat po for making our San Francisco Live very successful and full of excitement and happiness. At wala naman po kasi naman na gawin. Siyempre dito sa Sparkle Tour ay para paligayahin po ang lahat ng mga kababayan natin. Ating mga global Pinoys dito sa ating pinakamamahal na bansang San Francisco Tours. We're bringing you home, away from home. So with that po, yes, maraming salamat sa ating Sparkle USA. It's been a show.
Read and read. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell para ma-update po ang Victor Reaction Vlog. Bye guys, thank you for watching.